If you pay contractors through ADP, you can also use it to file their 1099 NEC forms at year-end, centralizing your tax filing. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way it works. Throughout the year, you must have paid your contractors via ADP's vendor payment system, not Payroll. ADP tracks these payments. As year-end approaches, navigate to the Tax and Compliance section and find the 1099 processing. ADP will generate a report of all vendor payments made. You review the list, ensure each vendor's TIN is on file, from their W-9, and authorize ADP to prepare the 1099 NEC forms. ADP can then e-file them with the IRS and provide copies for you to send to the contractors. My crucial pro tip: run the Missing TIN report early, in Q4. This gives you ample time to reach out to any contractors who haven't provided a W-9 and get their tax ID number before the January deadline. Avoid the last-minute scramble. Just like that, you extend ADP's compliance power to your contractor network. Do you file 1099s yourself, use a service like ADP, or give the info to your accountant? Let me know in the comments. If guides that cover year-end tasks help you, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.